Can I compost it? Wax paper. The short answer, like a lot of things that we talk about, whether it's compostable, the answer is it depends. So just give me a minute, we'll talk through why that's the answer and give you the best possible scenarios. So just real quick, do the elementary school thing, what is wax paper? It's paper with a coating on it. So paper, generally compostable, we know that, but I think the coating is what trips us up, and that's what we'll talk about. First things first, wax paper, generally not recyclable. So just know that. You can always check with your local municipality, but because of that coating, it makes it very difficult to recycle this product, because recycling uses water to break down everything, and this is repelling water. So generally not recyclable. In terms of compostable, it's that coating, and there's a couple different coatings that may be on your wax paper. It could be paraffin wax, potentially. It could be soy-based, or it could be petroleum-based. And so the easiest thing to do is buy wax paper that's certified compostable. There are items out there. If you Google certified compostable wax paper, or you go on the BPI website, we'll put that down here, you can find products that are certified compostable. And that means that someone's tested to make sure that in a commercial composting facility, the wax paper breaks down and that there's no harmful chemicals mixed in. We live in the age of chemistry, and so often, even when you think something is benign, there may be other chemicals there, especially when we have a paper whose job it is to really repel things. A lot of times that's where you see some harmful chemicals involved. So I would not recommend generally this in a backyard compost bin. It's not going to want to break down. The microbes aren't really going to want to eat wax, even if it is food grade wax like a paraffin or a soy. It's going to repel water, and moisture is what helps break things down. So I would say home composting, I wouldn't do wax paper. If you had something that was certified compostable, then I would say go ahead and send it to a compost facility, something like our scale. That's a large pile with high temperatures, a lot of moisture content is going to be able to break this down. But I would say wax paper, I wouldn't recycle it, I wouldn't put it in my backyard bin. And if you have stuff that is certified compostable, you can send it to a composting facility, industrial composting facilities if you were, and that's where someone like us is able to take care of it. So there you go, wax paper, it depends in terms of composting. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, leave them down below. If there's other things you want to know, is it compostable, just let us know. I'm Justin with Veteran Compost, and happy composting.